Guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so I want to give you guys a quick fix if you guys have this issue. Had this issue a couple of days ago where I had to change out the battery because of had a weak battery. It had a slow crank and then it wouldn't crank anymore, but all the lights were on and had enough power for all the lights on the dash to be on, but it wouldn't crank. So basically what I did was I figured out the battery was the problem, went to Walmart, got another battery, replaced it, and every time I would turn on, all the lights on the dash would be on. Normally what happens in this case is you turn on, the cluster on your dash essentially tests out each light. That's why all the lights are on, but then it goes off after your car starts just to, that test is over. However, those lights are not supposed to continue to be on. So basically, if you guys have this situation, like I did, I thought maybe there was a certain, obviously I thought it was probably the battery, the issue with my weak battery that was causing this problem. But after replacing the battery, that issue should have just cleared itself out. So I was thinking to myself, trying to backtrack on what I could have done to actually either trip this up or continued whatever the issue was that was causing this problem. And I looked around on YouTube, I looked around the internet trying to figure out whether it was some computer issue, some computer glitch, a problem with the battery causing this problem, how to reset it. Essentially, I want to reset it because those lights are not supposed to be on. So if you guys are in the similar situation, I'm going to tell you guys what you guys can do. Basically, I'm going to tell you what causes it and what you guys can do to fix it. It's a pretty simple fix. So basically, all the lights on your cluster, for the most part, they come on pretty much because if your battery is low or about to die. If you guys have this situation, do not want to continue having this situation, definitely want to test out your battery. If your battery is bad, you guys definitely want to swap out the battery. Now, here's the thing about it. Just swapping out the battery isn't going to get rid of all the lights on your cluster. You want to reset your ECM is what you guys want to do, because it's computers, is the computer memory still reading? Well, it's not still reading that your battery has issues, but it didn't clear. It's more like an error code, a little error message in the computer saying that, continuation of the previous issue. So what you guys want to do when you guys swap out the battery is you guys want to take the negative cable and a positive cable, and you guys want to touch them together for about 30 seconds, 40 seconds, a minute. What that does is it actually drains out the electricity in your vehicle. For the most part, if you guys are changing out the battery, most people, when they change out the battery, they essentially just take the cables off, take the battery out, put the new battery in. It normally takes them, I don't know, less than like 5-10 seconds to do that and put the cables back on. You're still having some electricity in the system. That electricity actually keeps that memory in your vehicle. So when you turn your vehicle on, what happens is you're still going to have all the lights on your dash. All right, so I changed out the battery, and I had to go back, take the positive terminal off, took the negative terminal off, and essentially touched the positive and the negative terminals, the rings, the terminals together on the cable, touched together for a good 30 seconds to about 60 seconds. After that was done, put the terminals back and started the car normally, and all the lights went off. So that's the cause of it, and that's the fix of it. Is you might be able to get away with it just taking the terminal off for about a minute, but it'll probably be better, because touching the positive and negative terminals together will drain the vehicle of any electricity very, very fast, and then the lights will go off. It'll reset the ECU, and your car will be able to start normally without any other lights on the dash. If you guys run into this similar situation, you guys have your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. If you guys have any questions, leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time. All right, guys, take care.